For this video, I've partnered up with ESR to bring you a couple of their latest chargers. I'm going to go through each and every one of them and tell you what I personally like about them and the benefits that they can bring to you. Now, just because they're a sponsor doesn't mean that I don't have the right to say whatever I feel, because if that was the case, I wouldn't be doing this video in the first place. The first charger is going to be this 3-in-1 with Cryoboost. Now, before I talk about the technology it's packing, what's cool with any 3-in-1 system is that you are taking 3 different cables and reducing them into one. So instead of having a phone, a watch, and an AirPods charger at your bedside or at your desk, you're basically reducing the clutter and putting it all into one device. And this does exactly that. Now, the neat thing about the Apple Watch charger is that it is removable. So it comes out just like that. You get a magnetic cover, and now you can literally travel with this anywhere that you want to go. For example, this comes with a wall cube, and you can literally take the Apple Watch charger, plug it into the wall cube, and now you've got a portable Apple Watch charging setup. Or you could plug it into simply your MacBook's USB-C port. So this is really nice. It's a cool little setup for when you're on the move. At the backside, you've got a USB-C port, so you're simply gonna plug in the USB-C cable it comes with, and now your unit's powered up. So let's plug in the watch charger at the back. And now I'm going to get my iPhone, and once you place your iPhone on here, you're going to notice at the sides, you'll see a blue light. And that is basically their Cryoboost technology at work. And if you place your hands around the unit, what you'll notice is that there's air coming out of it. And that's exactly what Cryoboost does. It's got a built-in cooling fan, so that way your iPhone can charge as efficiently and as fast as possible. Because the cooler the iPhone stays, the better it's going to charge. Now at the front here on this pad, you simply place your AirPods. You'll see the indicator light turn orange and they begin charging. Now in landscape, you do also have access to standby mode. So if you like using standby, that is not going to be any issue. Now what's great about this unit is it's great for a desk setup. It's great for a bedside table. But if you want to travel, then the next ESR charger is the one that you're looking for. The next charger is a travel one, and considering that it's a travel one, they gave you this pouch, which I found to be really nice. Inside here, you've got the charger itself, you've got the Apple Watch dongle, you've got the power cube, and the USB-C cable. But if you take this out, and let's say I just quickly snap it onto my iPhone, you're going to realize that this is like having a MagSafe wallet or maybe a power bank on your phone. It's really cool. When folded, it doesn't take up any space. It can easily fit into a pocket. It can easily be thrown into any pouch. So even if you don't want to use theirs, like I've got a tech carry pouch, and if I put this in there, it fits perfectly fine. And all I need to do is bring the watch dongle and unfolded, I can literally just charge 3 different devices and I'm good to go. So the watch dongle for this one is the same thing. It's removable, but it plugs into the backside here. And there's ample space up front of it to charge your Apple Watch. So if you've got like a band on it, that can kind of go here. So you just simply plug in the USB-C cable. Again, a long cable here as well. And now your unit is ready to charge. So on the front side, you can place your iPhone. And again, if you want to utilize standby, then you simply, let me unlock my phone. You just throw your phone on the charger in landscape and it will enable standby mode. And here you've got an ample pad for your AirPods. This just makes for the perfect travel companion just simply because of how nicely it folds up. And what I also liked is the hinge. The hinge has a lot of strength to it. So I really like that because often companies will like ignore this and they will add like a flimsy mechanism to it. This is not flimsy by any means. You get a lot of tilt functionality, so even when you do have this at your desk, you can get the perfect angle that you want to find for your iPhone. So Great for a desk setup, great for your bedside, but also will travel with you. And if you are someone looking for a travel charger, I would suggest this one instead of the previous one. The last charger of the bunch is this single MagSafe charger. It's got Qi 2 built in, but it's also got a kickstand at the back. So when you do place your iPhone on here, you can get the perfect viewing angle. So you can adjust this. And again, here, it's also got a strong hinge. So I really like this. Usually ones that are made like this are pretty flimsy. Speaking of flimsy, what's also cool is the fact that they reinforced this portion of the cable. Now, often the MagSafe charger, like the one from Apple, is like gonna fall apart right here simply because it's not reinforced, but this is reinforced, and then the cable itself is really long and durable. I like the fact that it's long because you could easily plug this in behind a couch and still have plenty of room to move about on the couch. This is something I really liked about this charger. Now, even though you can only charge one device at a time with this, it's still got tons of functionality and durability. And the best thing is that here too, you can simply throw this into any pouch and travel with it. So if you're not someone that needs multiple devices to be charged at one time, then this is a great option. Gives you a little bit of versatility and fast charging all in one product. Now, all these three chargers are great, but the personal favorite of mine is going to be this travel one, simply because it folds up. It's a hybrid, right? It can work at your desk setup, but then you can also take it with you wherever you go. So if I personally had to pick one, I would pick this. Now, I will link all of these in the description down below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. And most importantly, take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.